Where does the name for Bangor Is-y-coed, or in English Bangor-on-Dee, come from? So today I'm in the county borough of Wrexham, just by the River Dee, the Afon Dyfrdwy, and the village that I'm in now is called Bangor Is-y-coed, or Bangor-on-Dee. Let's get into the name. Let's start with the first part. The name Bangor is a Welsh word that originally referred to a particular type of enclosure, a wicker-fenced compound with a distinctive plaited or woven top. The word became particularly associated with ecclesiastical enclosures, which is why you find the name Bangor in several places connected with early religious communities. It's the same as Bangor in Gwynedd, but to distinguish the two, this one eventually became known as Bangor Is-y-coed. The rest of the Welsh form of the name is made up of is, meaning below, meaning the, and coed, meaning woods, so Bangor below the woods. The reference may have been to woodland lying to the south of the settlement. Interestingly, Is-y-coed is now the name of the parish, but the evidence suggests that the parish took its name from the village, rather than the village taking its name from the parish. And the reason Bangor is here in the first place goes back to the early Middle Ages. A monastery was founded here sometime in the 6th century, traditionally associated with St Dainiol, his son St Dynawd, or perhaps both. The surviving accounts aren't entirely consistent about who founded it. According to the Venerable Bede, in 616, following the Battle of Chester, the Northumbrian king Aethelfrith attacked the monks here, and many of them were killed and the settlement laid to waste. But at its height, Bangor Is-y-coed was supposedly one of the largest monastic communities in Western Britain. The name itself also changed as different languages came into contact with it. The Anglo-Saxons called the settlement Bancornabwrch, adding bwrch meaning a fortified place or settlement to the original Bangor. By the Middle Ages, this had developed into Boncabury. There was also a Latin name, Bangor Monachorum, meaning Bangor of the Monks, a name mainly found in ecclesiastical records. The English form of the name we see today is surprisingly recent. Bangor-on-Dee appears to have merged in connection with the railway and the postal routing, helping to distinguish this Bangor from the larger Bangor in Gwynedd, and, according to some, making the name more palatable to English visitors. And, by adding on-Dee, the name makes its location unmistakable. This is the Bangor beside the River Dee and close to the racecourse. So the name literally means the Bangor, the ecclesiastical settlement surrounded by some kind of wattle fence, under the woods or by the River Dee. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.